Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the project of Yihi box making. So this is the enclosure. I'm going to try to adjust these things inside the box. So I've got to remove that, this bit there and on the other side, so it would fit flush in the enclosure. And these tips, the golden connecting thingies. So yeah, thinking about putting it down there. So the chip supposedly, so the chip is supposedly, gonna fit either here, which is gonna be a bit hard, so there's no space. That's a bit of a problem, but we'll deal with that. Let's find out how that's gonna happen. Well, still can't see no space, but let's just start doing something and then we'll find out. If it worked, it worked. If it did not, I don't care. Let's try it. So I'm just going to be using that.
Yeah. Gonna work with that.
Well, that did not work, so I'm using this.
See, it's all gone. So,
as you can see, perfectly done. Almost. Trying to be neat here.
you can see it's clear.
And I'll do it. Now I've got to use the other one. Perfect. Nice. Yes. So now let's do the other thing. Might be wondering what's the other thing? Are these? This is the way to get, to remove it. Just push a little bit. Down a bit. Should go off. Yeah, just like that. Just gonna cut the extra part. Just like that. Yeah. That's a bit, kind of flat, and we're just gonna make it a bit pointy or something. So that's the way you do it. I tried to do it in different ways, did not work. This is the way you do it. The easiest, the best way. Ha! almost. Yeah, I think they kind of did it, but need a bit there. There you go. Yeah, perfectly done. So yeah, just gonna slide it there. As you can see, there is no extra parts on the side or whatsoever. Looks better. Yeah. Now we'll work on the other ones, and yeah, done with it. Looks better and it works better. Now we have to remove this part of the battery holder. I'm try to file it down and get rid of it. So that's a bit slow. So yeah, it kind of did not work, the way I did it. So I brought my Dremel tool and bang, I got rid of the whole side. It went on diet, so yes, just to make it fit there properly, and tested the chip on the side. Show you now. So put that battery. It won't fit. It's not gonna fit there. That's not the end of the world though. So I'm gonna remove these, like in the opposite corner, and we'll find out that's gonna fit. So let's see. Oh yeah. So that's how it looks like now. See, two sides are gone. It's not the best, looking job that I've done, but now we're going to work on the side to make it flat, as it is not that flat. So I did that and it looks ugly, honestly. Anyway, this is not my main concern. I don't care about that. I care about internal stuff, the heart and all the bits in it, So yeah, anyway, I use both, Dremel and all that, but so yeah. But that should be okay there. The other side as well. So let's try. You see now I removed both sides, still it's not working. My plan is not, this plan is not happening. I'll show you. So I'm thinking, you know, to put it there. It's not happening. It is totally not happening. I need to shave about maybe 5 millimeters. So it'd be, you know, it would fit properly and it'd be safe to use it. I don't want things touching, you know, each other and all that. Hey everyone, last time I showed you in a video, you know, all the parts that I purchased and some plans and all of that. Unfortunately that did not work. According to the enclosure, it was too small to fit the dual batteries and the chip itself, and the other parts as well. I tried to make as much as possible of space. It did not work. As you can see here, oh, I don't know if you can see that, but here, as I said earlier, it's too narrow. So I thought about putting it here, just right on top. It did not fit. So what I did, I went, you know, and looked for a block of wood, and I found that, a big one actually, and I divided it into 3 pieces, 10 centimeter each, 10 by 10, and I believe it was 4 centimeter depth. So this is the extra part actually. That's why I used it, because I've never worked on with wood before, and I was just testing it before using the rest of it. And at the same time it did not work as well, because it was too small, as you can see. Still, because the walls of that is too wide, and I cannot, you know, make it a bit, make it thinner. So, and I still have about centimeter, you know, right there, but even if I got the half centimeter, it won't work. So probably tomorrow, or I think in a couple of days, I'm going to get I already purchased some extra parts and enclosures from modmaker.co.uk. I bought the B enclosure and a couple of G's, I believe, because you know, I like the size of that. It fits nicely in a hand, but the other one I believe is going to be bulky and big. So I'm going to find a way on how to do that. I'm not giving up, but I will work on that and find a way. And once I find it, I will let you know, guys. Because I've seen someone fitting the DNA on it, a couple of batteries, dual batteries, and the DNA chip there. It was pretty neat actually. The wiring wasn't that pretty, but I mean, he did it and it was, you know, amazing. I like that project. So yeah, that's all for now. I thought about, you know, updating you, and we'll see you in the next video, but with a new enclosure for the time being. Keep on watching and stay tuned.